Welcome to PFTV Bafetu. I'm your host, TJ Fire. We just lost to Mexico 2-0. Mr. Mlambo, a disappointing one in Tanga. How are you feeling?
Ntanga kubuhlungu ne, but I understand it was going to be a difficult match. But I think njengoba ngishilo na ku-pre-match, our coach could have done something better ngithola in terms of I think you gave them too much respect. Yes, we knew ukuthi they are better than us in terms of quality ngithola nama-league abadlala kuwo. But I think you gave them too much respect and we took time ntanga to ukufaka ama-players ethu adlalayo, the likes of Apolis, the likes of Mshishi. I think we were unlucky kuma-red card, both of them. I think when we started second half, usole mfethu mekumele bamdonse because like he was not confident on the ball. First goal, phela thina ntanga first half I think Mexico were not too dangerous. I think they got the chance leyo sola yenza iphutha. I think Nomkwena uyenza iphutha kancane. I think bathole 3 and nathi sishayeka yi-1 ebhalini we were not too dangerous ntanga. We were supposed to play the ball. The policy eslazi. The policy logo sidlala which made us to qualify to World Cup. Why are we changing now?
So, do you think this loss in Tanga is more on the coach, or do you think Ugutama player now the likes of Abu Stole? Because that error in Tanga is not an error that you can really blame the coach. I mean, it's just a simple ball coming into your feet, a perfect ball. There was no pressure. I was talking to Tata. Utata he blames it more towards Ronan Williams. Why did he play that pass? But for me, I was like, like the guy was free at that time. You understand? So, who do you blame? Is it the coach or is it the players being a bit shaky?
Per se, just to answer you, I blame all the team, but laphaya i-era yakasithole ntanga seyaka coach. Usithole nje mfethu fanele understand ukuthi lapha adlala khona mfethu ugade imali. He must trap the ball much better. Rowan Williams didn't do anything wrong. Umphasi ibhola avulile kamnandi espacini and uyalicela ntanga. Like the way he traps the ball and the way he turns, I think it was wrong. But njengoba ngisho ntanga, Solo uyenza mistake, we all made a mistake. Ucoach uyenza mistake ngokufaka ischeme sakhe. I think it's all the team. But ucoach akayenza intanga much better decisions when we go to the next game. I think intanga asingabi scared mfethu. This is an experience. Asifuna ukuyiwina. Ntanga this thing into si-enjoyayo mfethu. Let's just go all out. If basishaya 5-0, it's good. We gonna see ukuthi thina i-football yethu as South Africans imephi. Rather than if we want to be skeptical, we want to defend now, the boys are not expressive ntanga. Umshishi ngikutshelile mayengena azathola i-red card. I think ukuthi intibhola kayi-2. Yangithola ntanga. I think mina let's just be expressive. Let's play our identity. Let's not change ntanga. Yeah, if it's but like for us ukuthi survive ku World Cup, it's already an achievement for us. You understand? Let's play our football mfethu.
That decision, obviously, we had a chat about it. Red card Tagasthole, a bit of camera. Because now I was leaning more towards him like don't go anywhere near the player. I know you said Uti is not really his fault because after looking at a few more replays, are you still on that Uti is not his fault?
I still say that there was nothing which you could have done. If umyekile lo yamuntu mekakora. Yangithola. I think mina akamthintanga ngamabomo wathi he was just too tight yangithola. And then him being too tight wayenzakala ukuthi any touch there ntanga lo umuntu sekuyi goal scoring opportunity. The ref is going to have a foul yangithola, which is a red card. I'm not saying the ref was wrong with giving a red card. I think Sole was too tight. There was nothing which he could have done. If Umyekile, it was going to be a goal.
Yeah. I beg to differ, but Apolisi came in, Shishi came in, he got a red card, Talent Mbata came in, anyone who showed up there.
No one showed up. Why? Because indlela midlala ngayo. And we can't blame it on the players. That's why I'm saying it's for everyone. This lose is for everyone. It's for the coach to go back to the drawing board to fix his into zakhe. Mina ntanga, I'm still saying, even if Pasha 5 is good mfethu, it's the experience angithi. Mina my main aim ukuthi like into engiyicabangayo njengoba ama-gents ayile ngara. Ukuthi ama-gents let them be expressive so that the likes of Aboride, the likes of Abomborazi, the likes of Abomurema police, they can be seen. That's what we want. We do not want me personal. I do not expect we're going to win the World Cup. For us to be there, and it's been long since like Sida. Yangithola adlaleni ibhola lethu mfethu into engiyikhalelayo. Let's not be Nigeria, let's not be cynical, let's not be whoever, let's be South Africa, let's play the ball mfethu. If sehluleka sihlulekile basihluleke sizamile.
Next game Ntanga against the Czech Republic mfethu, are you confident ukuthi we'll get something on that game?
I am, Tanga. But if coach can go back to the drawing board, that's what I'm saying. Let's be South African, Tanga. I think our football has grown so much over the years from Lapis Suga Corner. But like now we didn't see any South African football. Today game, we didn't see. We went on defensive mode. Okay, first half, the formation I even told you, ngathi yasebenza kancane. But asinte any ball more. You understand? Asinte any ball more. Because Masesfika final third, you've seen Abo Reynas, not Reynas, Mudau making wrong passes. You see Forster, Uguta selling Amanzi making wrong passes. Mina, I'll rather say, let's go 4-3-3 mfethu. Sfagaborile, kube mnandi lapha. Yes, other people will say, no, this stage is bigger for him. Bambizele. Everyone who's there, we expected to see those things. I think coach like Ujabile for the 20 at least there is better. No, we don't want that. If Mama shy 5 minutes, I'm shy 5, but it's going to help us as a country to see Guti Polale to the maybe.
No, thanks, Mr. Mlambo.